Ever heard of anti-patterns? These are coding practices you should never use because they lead to messy, hard-to-maintain code. First up, spaghetti code. This happens when your code has no structure. Functions are tangled up and everything depends on everything else. It's impossible to debug or update without breaking something. Think of it like trying to untangle a huge mess of wires. Not fun, right? Next, copy-paste programming. Ever copied a chunk of code, pasted it in multiple places, and changed a few details? It feels quick at first, but when you need to update that logic later, you're stuck fixing it in several places. Instead of copying code, refactor it into a function or class that can be reused. Clean code is DIY. Don't repeat yourself. And finally, magic numbers. These are random numbers scattered throughout your code with no explanation. Imagine looking at someone else's code and seeing speed equals 7. Why 7? No one knows. Use constants instead so the meaning is clear. Avoiding these anti-patterns will keep your code cleaner, easier to understand, and more maintainable. Got any other coding nightmares? Drop them in the comments.